Hi to all, welcome back to my channel. While developing the staircase cross-section details, generally we will copy the previous sections and modify the detailing part to match the present staircase plan as per the design. This will do by using stretching, mirroring, editing and some other commands. Sometimes we will modify the text without reflecting the scale like riser height, slab thickness, beam size, etc. Now I will explain how to develop the regular staircase sectional details with a reflection of true scale. This is my staircase section Excel file. I am opening this file. In this sheet, we need to enter all the details about staircase cross section. Here I am entering section number 1. Section starts with, you can select CRS, beam, brickwork. I am choosing CRS. Here I am entering width of the CRS wall 380 mm, depth as 600 mm. Continuation with options, you have beam, slab, steps. In this project, above the CRS wall, it starts with steps. I am entering steps width 1500 mm, depth 150 mm. Section ends with options are slab, beam. I am choosing section ends with slab. Means continuation of last step. If you have beam at last step, you can select beam. Landing width I am entering as 1500 mm. Slab thickness I am entering 150 mm. At the end of the slab, I am entering beam at 1500 mm. Beam size I am entering 230 mm by 450 mm. Here I am selecting direction of the flight. I am selecting towards right side. Number of risers 10 numbers I am entering. Riser 150 mm. Tread 300 mm. Waist slab thickness I am entering 150 mm. Here we need to enter main reinforcement, dia and spacing. I am selecting 10/8 and spacing entering as 125 mm center to center. Distribution reinforcement selecting 8/8 200 mm center to center. Then I am copying section 1 and pasting beside section 1 and modifying as section 2. This is second flight details. It starts with mid landing beam. That's why I am selecting beam. Beam width I am entering 230 mm by 450 mm. Continuation with slab 1500 mm by 150 mm thickness. Section ends with slab. I am not changing any value here. End support beam also I am not changing. Here I am changing direction of the flight. Previously it was right. Now it will become towards left side. I am selecting direction as left. Number of rises I am not changing. Riser and tread also I am not changing any value. Base slab thickness, main reinforcement and distribution reinforcement I am assigning same as previous section. Then I am copying section 2.2 and pasting beside section 2.2, modifying this section as 3.3. Direction I am changing to towards right. I am assigning remaining same as previous section. Then coming back to my command prompt, here I am entering my command DET. This is the main screen. I am selecting staircase section. If you want to draw in mm, select mm. In meters, select meter. In inch, select inch. I am selecting mm, clicking OK. Selecting my Excel file, staircase section. I am picking here. This is the cross sections developed based on that Excel file data. Section 1.1. This is CRS wall, 380 mm by 600 mm depth. Number of steps shown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rises we entered. This is the slab thickness, 150 mm thick. This is the main reinforcement. This is the distribution reinforcement. This is landing slab, 1500 mm wide, 150 mm thick, with supporting beam, size of 230 by 450 mm. Starts with beam, continuation of slab, 150 mm thickness. These are the steps, and this is the main reinforcement. This is the distribution reinforcement. Slab thickness also shown here. Steps ends with slab, 1500 mm landing, 150 mm thickness. Ends with beam of size 230 by 450. This is third flight. Starts with beam, slab, steps, ends with slab and beam. This will develop based on the Excel file data. Here I am modifying the riser 175 mm instead of 150 mm for all the sections. Now again I am rerunning the program. DET, selecting staircase section, mm, OK. Selecting my Excel file. I am picking here. It will develop all the sections with latest data. 175 mm riser instead of 150 mm riser. Left side I am showing previous sections. Right side I am showing latest sections. If I measure the flight heights in the left sections, 1500 is my flight height. 10 risers into 150 mm thickness, 1500. In the right side risers, 10 risers into 175 mm thickness, 1750 mm. See here, it was drawn to true scale. Like this, you can develop n number of sections with the true scale within a short time.